gonna make barbecue noodles. So we have this coriander leaves, 1 spoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, spices, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon salt, noodles, utensil, bowl, spoon, fork. Okay, so just I have put 2 mugs of water and a soupy spoon for stringing. And guys, please pray for my results. They are in this week. And tomorrow I'm going to McDonald's. And like what I have to tell you, please pray I got a good result. So just guys, see, I have stuffed the eagle, and now I'm just gonna put it like this. So I have put it on the stove, the utensil. Now, okay. So first we're gonna put some salt into the water and the spoon. So just taste it. Some salt for mixing. Now I'm gonna take a spoon. We'll wait for boiling. Until that, we're gonna make the paste. For a paste, we need a small mug like this, mini cup. And here I'm gonna put the spice. First, all dry ingredients. Okay. If you follow me, if you follow my tricks, if you follow my recipes, so please follow this thing that always you pour all the dry ingredients first and then wet. So I have left with some spices because we need to pour them over here. Now the left one we will pour over here for a mix. Okay, now we have put this salt, these spices. Now we are only left these. And some in water. And now we're gonna put the see. Now a paste is going to be ready. We're just gonna put now we are gonna put vinegar and now so for barbecue sauce I have poured the barbecue sauce into the utensil, and now I'm going to put water. Oh man, I can't hold, so wait for a while. See, I have poured the water inside, and now just make a sauce paste. And now I'm gonna put this all into the water. So see, it's spicy. And now I'm gonna put this into the cabinet, to the basin. I'm gonna do this all. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put this all mini plates over here. All the things over here, and everything is fine over here. And so my brother is also eating the noodles. See it, noodles?
Hi.
So just wait and see. We're going to stir it for more seconds. for a long time so that the water can be evaporate fast. You know, if we think that we have poured lot of water into the noodles, but it is not. We are wrong, because the water need to evaporate too. It's not just the water will not evaporate. So I tried this thing today with my brother's noodles, and it was successfully done. So I'm going to do this with my noodles too. So just wait and see. So as you can guys see, the boiling is now past, as like winters are there, so it's hot every day. So you can see the boiling is going to be fast. See, मुझे डर लग रहा बहुत. It was just a prank. See, nothing is happening to me. And guys, as I told you that never forget to follow me, and if you want me, that if you like me so much, so please ask your family members, ask your friends, ask your cousins to follow me. So thank you, and never let me down, and I will promise you too guys that if there will be an emergency, so then I will not share my videos, but rather than I will always share my videos. Like this month I could share some videos, cause and yeah, I have to share a vlog. So guys, that is all, because I can't share all the videos of this week because I was having my papers. I was having papers, and I was having my birthday party too in this month. So that's why I was not free at all. So guys, I'm 12 years old, and please pray for me that I always had a successful life in my life. Thank you. So I will show you how it does. See, the water is evaporating. Guys, see, some water is evaporated and I haven't written. Done.